engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Sound itself needs some sort of what we call medium to move through. So when I say medium, I mean like air. Sound obviously moves through air, or water. Sound will move through water. So a good way to really prove that is to actually take air out of the equation, and then we shouldn't really be able to hear that sound. So to do that, I have what is called a vacuum chamber. So inside of here we have air that's inside of this, and the lid I'm going to put on here in just a second. And dangling from the lid we have this little device. This is one of those really loud alarm devices, so when I pull it, it's going to be very loud, so I'll do that here in just a second. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put the lid on here in just a second, turn on the pump, and we'll be able to hear the sound for just a moment. But as soon as the air gets removed out of there, we should slowly but surely not hear the alarm going off until I put the air back inside. Again, I'm going to pull the pin, going to immediately put the lid on and turn the pump on, and let's see what happens. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whew, told you it was really loud. All right, let's turn the pump on. There we go. Okay. So you can definitely hear it. It's going to take a moment. We're actually right now pulling all of the air out of it. And let's see if that removes the sound from our little alarm. It's definitely getting quieter. I can't hear it quite as well as I did a moment ago. We'll give it another moment or so. Yeah, it's definitely getting quieter. Again, all of the air is being removed out of this container, okay? So the sound that is coming from our little alarm device, it now doesn't really have any sort of medium, nothing for that air, or excuse me, for that sound to travel through, because there's no air inside of the chamber. I'm going to turn the pump off. Okay, I can still hear it just a little bit, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow the air to come back inside, and then we'll definitely hear a difference between the sound now and once the air goes back inside. So now all of the air is back inside of my chamber, and the alarm is definitely a lot louder now. So again, this is proving that air has to be present for sound to be able to move through. Pretty cool.